The commercial vehicle sector, or CV as we will call it, is constantly evolving due to ever-increasing environmental and commercial pressures. We at Afton Chemical have identified 5 key trends which continue to influence this sector. These are lowering total cost of ownership, reducing emissions, improving fuel economy, higher power density of engines, and hybridization and electrification of CVs. Total cost of ownership not only considers the fuel consumption and time off the road of a vehicle, but also takes into account the vehicle's lifetime maintenance costs in addition to its resale value. Using a high quality engine oil will help minimise the vehicle's total cost of ownership in all these aspects. Reduce fuel consumption, increase oil drain interval, reduce vehicle maintenance costs, and eventually increase its resale value. Emissions reduction has been a long-term focus for governments and legislative bodies, but in recent years there's been an even greater focus from the general public as well. Legislation has developed to focus not only on carbon dioxide levels, but also nitrous oxides and particulate matter emissions. To help support the drive to lower emissions, cleaner, lower pollutant emission engine technologies and oils have been developed, and this is where reduced SAPS engine oils play a critical role. To help achieve tighter carbon dioxide emissions, OEMs are moving to lower viscosity engine oils. For a capable engine, a lower viscosity oil means less friction within the engine oil film, improving the engine's efficiency. As a result, we see an improvement in fuel economy with a reduction in carbon dioxide emissions. Additional engine hardware, such as turbochargers, have been deployed to further help an engine's efficiency. Although engine capacity has reduced by around 20%, the power density of vehicles has increased by approximately 25%, along with the engine operating temperature. The increased power density means today's engine oils must deliver more than ever on piston cleanliness, thermal and oxidation control, and especially deliver over longer oil drain intervals as OEMs and operators look to maximise a truck's time on the road. With emissions legislation set to go even further, OEMs will need to consider alternative propulsion as part of their powertrain offering, whether that be hybrids, hydrogen fuel cell, or full battery electric vehicles. The deployment of these alternative propulsions is dependent on a number of factors, including the ease of implementation, the cost of implementation, the vehicle application and drive cycle, the overall impact to the total cost of ownership of the vehicle. Hybridization of CVs will see smaller diesel engines operating higher in their capacity, and their working life will be different in terms of the speeds and loads they will experience. This will place new stresses on the engine and, in turn, the oil. The engine oil needs to be thinner to aid fuel economy, without compromising on wear protection. It should also have a greater resistance to oxidation and maintain an engine's cleanliness for as long as possible. All this will help maximise the oil drain interval and minimise maintenance costs. Therefore, it's imperative end users use the right heavy-duty engine oil for their application.